Hi everyone, welcome to the PardesLine YouTube channel. This channel aims to help you mastering computer vision, machine learning, and deep learning adapted to 3D data. I am Jonathan Tabet, an algorithm research engineer with a PhD and 8 years of experience in this field. Let's see in this first video what will be the program of this module. First thing we are going to see together will be the 3D data representation. What is exactly a point cloud? How to transform it to mesh? How to get a mesh? How to load this point cloud? How to download it? How to save it? With which tools we can also observe it? What is a volumetric data? Voxels? What is RGB depth imaging? We are going to see that in the first video. Then also manifold learning. What does it mean? Meaning when we have a 3D point cloud and we want to project it into 2D, we have several methods such as PCA, principal component analysis, manifold learning, MDS algorithm, several. So we are going to see that together. Then a big problem and a big challenge in our field is the surface reconstruction. Let's imagine now we have a point cloud. I want to get the triangle meshes, okay, from this point cloud. How to do? So we can use an algorithm which is called Poisson algorithm, but sometimes it's more challenging and we need to do some deep learning methods even. So we are going to see this problematic also together. Then a rigid registration. What does it mean? We have now 2-point cloud and we want to align, want to merge them and to get the transformation matrix 4x4, how to, from the source to get to the target. And in order to do that, we can use an algorithm which is called ICP, Iterative Closest Point Algorithm, that we are going to also describe in this channel. Then a non-rigid registration. When we have a local deformation, from this example, you can see that we have the source and then the target with a different local deformation, the arm, and also here a local deformation. In the last image here, we can see the merging of the source and the target after performing a non-rigid registration. A well-known task in machine learning is classification segmentation. Question is, which kind of model can perform segmentation or classification directly to point cloud? From 2017, we have models such as PointNet, PointCNN that aims to perform a classification or segmentation to 3D point cloud. Also, PointPillar object detection. This is one of the models that can perform 3D object detection directly on the 3D point cloud by performing such as of volumetric data. We are going to see that also at the end of the series. The Python packages that we are going to use together are Open3D for loading and downloading data for making processing. Also, sometimes PyVista. We will see that is very complementarity between PyVista and Open3D. CPy, scikit-learn, and also when we will see the deep learning methods, we will use PyTorch, Keras, and TensorFlow. So that's it for this video. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel.